Hello St Martins, this is your Tuesday maths lesson and your TLP for today is, can I recall multiplication and division facts to solve problems? So today we're going to use all of that knowledge we've been practicing in our last lessons, reminding ourselves of our multiplication and division facts to have a go at solving problems. So you're going to work like Sid the Spider. You're going to make links in your learning to think about how you can best solve the problems, drawing on all of the things you already know. Good luck, hope you enjoy it. So here are today's activities, and you can see that we've organised them like we would in class into green, amber and red challenges. Green being a bit easier, amber being what most people should be able to attempt, and red being the challenge. I'm going to model to you a few of these, and then at the end of the video you will see these problems in more clearer photos. Write the date and the TLP in your maths book, and don't worry too much about setting out the problems exactly as they are on these sheets. Just make it clear that to yourself that you know what question you are doing, so that you can share it later in our Zoom. And remember, you can use pen in your maths book so that when you hold your work up, it's much clearer. We'll go through some of the answers and you'll be able to mark your work later. Okay, Year 4, so I'm going to model some of the word problems to you now, and you can see that this is a green one. It says, how many lettuces are in the gardens? Write addition and multiplications. So I need to think of it like an array, really. So let me have a look. How many lettuces have I got? I've got 5 going along the top and 5 going down the side. So if I count them up, I wonder if I've got about 25. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Yes, I knew that 5 times 5 was 25. So that can be one of my multiplications. Now, if I'm feeling really clever, I could actually show off and do a division number sentence too. Now, multiplication can be repeated addition. So how many 5s have I got? 5, add 5, add 5, add 5, add 5 equals 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5 lots of 5 equals 25. Colour the triangle blue if the number is divisible by 3, the circle red if the number is divisible by 6, and the square yellow if the number is divisible by 9. Right, let's choose one. Let's have a go at 12. Okay, you could do these in any order that you like. I've got my 3 colours here. If you haven't got red, yellow and blue, you could just change the colours, colour in like a key up the top here and use whatever you've got. So 12, let's see. Can I divide 12 by 3? Let me think through my 3 times table. I can count in multiples of 3. If I can't count in multiples of 3, I could get some things and group them into 3s until I get to 12. But I know my 3s, so I'm going to count in 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12. Ah, it is. Okay, so I am going to colour my triangle in blue. Now, does 6 go into 12? So I need to count in 6s. I could draw an array, if I'm not sure. That's one lot of 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I've got 2 lots of 6. So, yes, 12 is divisible by 6. So I can colour that in. Now, is 12 divisible by 9? Let me think. So 1 times 9 is 9. See, I'm doing jottings, and that's absolutely fine to help me think about what I know to solve the problem. 2 times 9 is, let's think, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, that's too much, isn't it? That's too much. It's too big. But actually, look. Oh, I've got 18 here. So 18 is divisible by 9. So I can colour in the square on 18 yellow. So that was good. I made a link there in my learning. Okay, so here are some amber challenges. They might look a bit confusing, but they're not actually if you really think about them. So here it says write the answers as Roman numerals. Well, if I just remember what I learned last term about Roman numerals, and if you can't remember, you'll see a photo of this in the video in a minute, and that you can use that. You can pause the video to help you remember, okay? But if I remember that V means 5 and I means 2, then actually what I'm doing is 5 multiplied by 2. 5 add 5, 2 lots of 5 is 10. So my answer is X. And if I'm not sure what the Roman numeral is, I can look back at my sheet to check. How many pence are in the boxes? Write a multiplication about each picture. Okay, so I've got some 2p's here. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 2p's. So I've got 6 times 2p. Now, if I'm not sure what the answer is, I can count in twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Now, I'm quite good at knowing which ones I've counted, but if you're not sure, you could strike them through as you count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Now, the red challenges today really are tricky. So they are going to challenge you, but I know that some of you will be able to do them. So here's one I'm going to model to you. Each box can hold 6 eggs. So think of a normal egg box like you've probably got at home. How many boxes can be filled and how many eggs will remain? So we've not talked about remainders yet, but that's the bit that's left over that you can't use or fit in the box. Complete the table and don't worry about complete the rule. I'm going to cross that out actually because that is a bit tricky. Okay, so 30 eggs. How many boxes can I fill? Now, I'm going to have to write out my 6 times table for that. 6, 12, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 30. Oh, 30. How many boxes of eggs was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 boxes of eggs, and I didn't have any remaining. I filled the boxes perfectly. So notice I'm doing a jotting here to help me. Okay, and you could go on. Now, when you get up to here, how many boxes would that be if I had, how many eggs, would that be if I had 20 boxes? Well, I'm going to have to do 20 boxes with 6 eggs in each. So that would be, I know that 2 times 6 is 12. So if I make that 10 times bigger, I'm going to have had 120 eggs. But hang on, I had 3 that didn't fit in the box. So I must remember to add on my 3. So my original number of eggs was 123. That's a fun one. I enjoyed doing that. I might finish that one off after I finish this video. Okay, here we go. The missing numbers. Now, this is hard, so I've put something in for you to get you started. The missing numbers are either 2 or 4. So everything here has to either be a 2 or a 4. The arrow points towards the value which is twice as much. Fill in the numbers and draw the missing arrows. Okay, so I thought I'd let you know that the square is worth 2. So 2 times 2, that makes 4. Okay, so I'm going to do a little jotting so I remember where I'm at in my thinking. And the arrow points towards the value which is twice as much. So this has got to equal twice 4. So double 4 is 8. So 2 times what makes 8? I'm not going to say any more now. I'm going to leave you to have a think about that one.